Hey there! Are you a student trying to earn money online in 2025? Whether you're saving up for tuition, side expenses, or just want some extra cash in your pocket, there are tons of opportunities out there right now. And many of them don't require you to be an expert or invest a lot up front. Let's dive into some of the most effective and realistic ways students can start earning online this year. First off, freelancing is still one of the best ways to earn online. If you have a skill, writing, graphic design, coding, video editing, voiceovers, translating, or even managing social media, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These sites connect you with clients from all over the world who are looking for help with both short and long-term projects. The best part? You get to work from home on your own schedule, and you build up a portfolio along the way that can help with your future career. Next, let's talk about tutoring. Online education is huge, and students just like you are making money helping others learn. You can tutor subjects you're already studying, like math, science, English, or even test prep, and offer services through websites like Chegg, Preply, or Wisent. You don't need a teaching degree. You just need to prove your knowledge and ability to explain concepts clearly. If you enjoy creating content, then YouTube, TikTok, or even Instagram can become more than just a hobby. In 2025, short-form videos are still dominating, and you can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and fan donations. The key here is consistency and choosing a niche. Whether it's study tips, gaming, lifestyle, tech reviews, or even daily vlogs. Building a following takes time, but once you get traction, the income potential can be impressive. Affiliate marketing is another great option. Basically, you promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys through your special link. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media. If you talk about gadgets, clothes, apps, or books, you can easily sign up for affiliate programs through Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Impact. Some companies even pay recurring commissions, meaning you get paid monthly as long as your referrals keep using the service. Now let's talk about selling digital products. If you're good at creating things like templates, ebooks, worksheets, Notion planners, or even online courses, you can sell them on sites like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Digital products are awesome because you make them once and sell them over and over again without needing to ship anything. Many students are creating niche products for other students, like budget planners, study guides, and habit trackers. Print on demand is another student-friendly business model. Using sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon, you can design t-shirts, mugs, stickers, tote bags, and more. The platforms handle production and shipping. You just focus on creating cool or funny designs. Canva is a great tool to help you design even if you're not a professional graphic designer. If you're a bit more tech-savvy, learning basic coding or no-code tools like Webflow or Bubble can help you start building websites and apps for clients. AI tools are also a game-changer this year. With tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, or Midjourney, students are creating content, marketing materials, and designs faster than ever before. Some are even offering services like AI content editing, resume writing, or social media automation, skills that are in high demand right now. Want something super flexible? Microtasking sites like Swagbucks, Clickworker, and Remotasks pay you to complete small tasks, things like data entry, watching ads, answering surveys, or tagging images. The pay isn't huge, but it's something you can do in your spare time to earn a little extra cash without much commitment. Remote internships and virtual assistant jobs are also growing fast. Many startups and small businesses are hiring students to help with admin work, social media, customer support, research, and more. Sites like Internshala, We Work Remotely, and Remote OK are great for finding gigs like these, and they often lead to longer-term opportunities. Let's not forget dropshipping. While it's more advanced and requires some upfront learning, it's still a viable online income stream in 2025. You set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and sell products that are shipped directly from a supplier to your customer. No inventory needed. The key here is finding trending products, setting competitive prices, and creating eye-catching ads, often through TikTok or Instagram. Crypto, NFTs, and investing are also popular, but they come with risk. If you're thinking of going this route, make sure to educate yourself first. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and be wary of scams. That said, if you're curious, apps like Coinbase Learn and Binance Academy offer rewards just for learning about crypto safely. A few more ideas. Selling stock photos and videos on sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels. Offering music or sound effects on platforms like Epidemic Sound or Pond5. Or starting a newsletter with Substack and monetizing it with subscriptions or sponsorships. Finally, here are some quick tips for success. Start small and stay consistent. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one or two methods that match your skills and interests and focus on growing slowly. Make sure to track your time and earnings so you know what's working. And most importantly, avoid scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick with legit platforms and do a little research before signing up for anything. So whether you're looking to make a few bucks between classes or want to build a serious online income stream, 2025 is full of opportunities. With creativity, consistency, and the right mindset, you can absolutely earn money online as a student and gain valuable experience at the same time.